In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert symbols and equations in Google Docs. Whether you're a student working on a math assignment, a teacher preparing classroom materials, or anyone in need of adding complex symbols to your document, this guide will make it a breeze for you. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's open Google Docs. If you're using a web browser, go ahead and type in Google Docs in your search engine and click on the first link that appears. Simple as that. Now click on the Google Docs link. This step will take you to your Google Docs homepage, where you'll see all your documents neatly arranged. If you haven't created your document yet, you'll want to click on the blank option to start a new one. For those working on an existing document, simply click on the one you wish to edit. Once your document is open, direct your attention to the top menu bar. You'll find an option labeled Insert seated there. Give it a click. A drop-down menu will appear presenting a wealth of options. One of these options is Equation. Click on it to start inserting equations. This will launch an equation toolbar right below the primary toolbar, a handy little feature that helps you construct mathematical notations. Next, you'll choose your desired equation symbols. The equation toolbar provides different tabs of symbols, ranging from Greek letters to various operators. Simply click on the symbols you intend to use, and they will appear in your document seamlessly integrated into your text. Now let's talk about adding special characters. You're going to head back up to the Insert tab. Click on it once more, and this time select Special Characters from the drop-down. A dialog box will prompt you with all sorts of special characters, from currency symbols to arrows and beyond. There's even a draw tool that lets you sketch out what you're searching for. Google Docs is pretty accommodating that way. After clicking on Special Characters, you'll see a search box to help streamline your hunt for the right character. Type in a keyword related to what you need, like arrow or currency, and the corresponding symbols will populate below. Once you've found the special character you want, simply click it, and it'll be inserted into your document right where your cursor is placed. This functionality makes Google Docs not just a robust word processor, but an effective tool for academic and professional writing requiring technical symbols. Whether you're drafting a research paper, solving math problems, or writing formulas, you can confidently insert whatever symbols and equations you need. That's all there is to it. You're now equipped to enhance your documents with a world of symbols and